Hi, I'm Pamela. I've been seeing Dr. Mohrdar for probably about 4 years. I've had so many health issues to the point I was fatigue syndrome, and I had sinus so bad that I had to keep a box of Kleenex with me at all times, and I was just real sick. And I knew it was due to my Candida that I had in my digestive tract for 15 years. And so I heard about Dr. Mohrdar, and I came to him just so he would give me some sinus relief. And he looked at me and said that I was not a well person, that he was going to fix me. I had fallen and had a dislocated foot, and the doctors had to give me surgery and left me basically walking with a limp. Now he's fixed my foot, which was 2 years of therapy. I taped him for 1 year and then wore pads. I can walk now. I don't have to use a wheelchair at Target, and I walk 3 to 4 miles a day, and I have a life now. And also, because of my foot injury, I had so many aches and pains through my body that he did chiropractic work on my back and my arms and legs and all that, and now I'm standing straight up, and I do real well that way. And I know there's many other things. Oh, I had horrible hormonal problems. I was not sleeping, I was having hot flashes, I was just a mess. And he fixed that for me too. I feel really good. My hormones are balanced. And my skin's healthier, my hair is healthier. I don't take naps anymore. For years I had to take naps every day, and I feel really good. Things that I was going to the doctors about, lots of aches and pains all through my bodies. I had they diagnosed me as tendonitis in my wrist, elbow tendonitis in my elbows, and then I had it in my hips and in my knees. I mean, they just really didn't know what to say. They just diagnosed me as having tendonitis. But once Dr. Mohrdar gave me therapy, he was basically detoxing my body. My body was so toxins with poisons that all those aches and pains went away. Plus, when he was working on my chiropractic work too, that really did help also. But I noticed it through just taking his therapy, and he also put me on a special diet, and that would just within days and weeks I noticed such a difference. And if you have any diagnosis that doctors say that you have, I would recommend getting a second opinion with Dr. Mohrdar, because a lot of doctors, they just don't know. And Dr. Mohrdar has some kind of gift of biology for the body that he just figures it out for you. So I would highly recommend you coming here. I had hyperglycemia so bad that I couldn't go anywhere without carrying nuts or being close to a place to get protein, easy access to getting protein. And it was a lifestyle that I had to live with, and it was very, very difficult at times. But one of the things through my therapy with Dr. Mohrdar is he cured me of that. One day we were walking downtown at like Santa Fe it was, and I had eaten breakfast at 10, and it was like 3 o'clock, and we discovered I hadn't eaten all day. It was like a shock, and I felt fine. So there was no blood sugar drops or dips or anything, and so he cured me of that, and that was awesome, because my life has changed.
How long did it take for you to?
I think a year and a half of therapy here, or a year. I were trying to calculate how long, because it was a gradual. All of a sudden, it dawned on me after weeks of not having any sugar problems. It was just part of my life, of just having dips all the time. And it wasn't fun. So if anybody has hypoglycemic, I would recommend them coming here. Your life will be different.